Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere I go, everywhere that I've been, the only thing I see is beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people. Don't you know, don't you know, you're beautiful, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, beautiful, don't you know, no, no. Live your life, let that love inside. It's your life, got to live it right. Take your time, take this sexy time. Lose your head.
May 12, 2012, the Loy Norris prom was held at the Kalamazoo Institute of Art. The theme was red carpet and portrayed the guests as stars. It was an event of elegance and class. There were limo rides from the Radisson, smoothies, photographers, and a chocolate fountain. There may have been a chocolate fountain malfunction, but everyone still had their chocolate cravings satisfied via chocolate fondue. The night concluded with the announcement of prom king and queen, Raymond Ryan and Lillian Jackson.